Boost metabolism naturally. 12 real strategies that work. You can eat more, work out less, and still lose fat if you send your metabolism the right signals. You might be unknowingly slowing down your metabolism. And here's the truth. Your metabolism isn't broken, it's just doing exactly what you've taught it to do. The great news? You can train it to do better. In this video, you'll learn 12 proven, natural strategies to turn your metabolism into a fat-burning, energy-boosting machine. No crash diets or expensive supplements required. Let's dive in. 1. Eat more protein, not less. The first step to firing up your metabolism is simple: eat more protein. Protein has the highest thermic effect of food, which means your body burns more calories just to digest it, up to 30% more compared to carbs or fats. But the benefits don't stop there. Protein keeps you full, preserves lean muscle, and prevents overeating. If you're dieting or trying to lose fat, it's your metabolism's best friend. Aim for about 1 gram of protein per pound of your target body weight. So if your goal is to weigh 140 pounds, shoot for 140 grams of protein per day, spread across your meals. 2. Strength train 2 to 3 times a week. Muscle is metabolically expensive, it burns calories even at rest. So the more muscle you have, the more calories your body burns naturally, 24/7. Strength training doesn't have to mean heavy barbells or bulky gyms. Body weight squats, dumbbell lunges, resistance bands, these all work. The key is consistency and progression. Focus on compound movements that train multiple muscle groups at once. Squats, deadlifts, rows, presses. Even just 2 to 3 sessions a week can significantly increase your metabolic rate and reshape your body in all the right ways. 3. Prioritize sleep like it's your job. Lack of sleep is one of the most overlooked metabolism killers. It disrupts your hunger hormones leptin and ghrelin, leading to increased cravings, especially for sugary foods. It also decreases insulin sensitivity, making fat storage more likely. According to research published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, even partial sleep deprivation can lower resting metabolic rate and impair glucose regulation. Aim for at least 7 to 9 hours of restful, uninterrupted sleep. And if that feels impossible, start by going to bed 30 minutes earlier and creating a calming bedtime routine like journaling, reading, or using lavender oil. 4. Don't skip meals. Eat regularly. Intermittent fasting has gained popularity, but for many women, skipping meals or delaying food for long periods can backfire. It elevates cortisol, stresses your system, and often leads to binge eating later. Your body thrives on rhythm and consistency. Eating every 3 to 4 hours supports stable blood sugar, sustained energy, and better hormone balance. Plus, it makes hitting your daily protein and calorie goals more manageable. Instead of skipping breakfast or waiting until 2 p.m. to eat, have a protein-rich breakfast within 60 to 90 minutes of waking up, especially if you're strength training or feeling fatigued. 5. Stay hydrated, especially with cold water. Here's a super easy metabolic booster: drink cold water. When you drink cold water, your body burns energy to warm it up to core temperature. Each glass may only burn a few extra calories, but over time, it adds up. More importantly, dehydration slows your body's metabolic efficiency. Water is essential for fat breakdown, digestion, energy production, and nutrient transport. Aim for 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Replace sodas, juices, and flavored coffees with water and herbal teas. Your skin, energy, and waistline will thank you. 6. Drink coffee or green tea mindfully. Caffeine boosts your metabolism by stimulating your central nervous system. Black coffee and green tea contain caffeine and other compounds like chlorogenic acid and EGCG, which may help increase fat oxidation and thermogenesis. Green tea, for instance, may boost your metabolic rate by 3 to 5% and can help reduce body fat over time when paired with healthy habits. That said, moderation is key. Too much caffeine can lead to anxiety, sleep disruption, and elevated cortisol. Stick to 1 to 2 cups of green tea or black coffee a day and avoid adding sugar or artificial creamers. 7. Add spice to your meals. Spicy foods, particularly those containing capsaicin, like chili peppers, have thermogenic properties. Capsaicin increases the body's heat production and may help you burn up to 50 to 100 extra calories a day when consumed regularly. While the calorie burn from spicy food is modest, it can be a fun and flavorful way to complement other metabolic strategies. Add fresh chili, cayenne, or hot sauce to your meals if you tolerate spice. Bonus: spicy foods often slow your eating pace, helping you feel full faster and avoid overeating. 8. Stop overdoing cardio. Cardio is great for heart health and endurance, but when overdone, especially with low-calorie diets, it signals your body to conserve energy by shedding muscle. Muscle is expensive for the body to maintain. If you're running daily and not fueling properly, your body may start breaking down muscle, slowing your metabolism even further. Instead of excessive cardio, focus on 2 to 3 days of strength training and 1 to 2 short HIIT or brisk walking sessions per week. This creates a balanced, sustainable routine that boosts rather than drains your metabolism. 9. Incorporate short bursts of activity. Even if you work a desk job or are mostly sedentary, there are ways to keep your metabolism elevated throughout the day. Try this: stand up and stretch every 30 to 60 minutes, take walking meetings, or do short 5-minute movement snacks like jumping jacks, squats, or stair climbs. Even light activity, known as NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, can burn hundreds of extra calories a day. Small movements truly add up and keep your metabolism ticking. 10. Manage stress to balance hormones. High stress increases cortisol, and chronically elevated cortisol is linked to increased belly fat and slower metabolism. Find ways to reduce daily stress: breathwork, yoga, gratitude journaling, a daily walk in nature, or simply unplugging from screens. Even 10 minutes a day can lower cortisol and improve your metabolic resilience. A calm body is a more metabolically efficient body. 11. Use smart supplements. Optional. Most fat burners are junk. But there are a few supplements that genuinely support metabolism when used appropriately. Creatine helps increase lean muscle mass and performance, indirectly boosting metabolism. Magnesium supports sleep and metabolic enzyme function. Vitamin D helps regulate fat storage hormones and is often low in women. Always consult a healthcare provider before adding supplements to your routine, but remember, they enhance good habits, they're not magic pills. 12. Practice gentle movement after meals. Post-meal walks improve digestion and glucose control, especially after carb-heavy meals. Just 10 to 15 minutes of light walking can reduce blood sugar spikes, improve insulin sensitivity, and support fat metabolism. This gentle practice also encourages mindfulness, lowers stress, and helps you feel more in control of your body without intense workouts. Train your metabolism to work for you. Your metabolism is not your enemy. It's your body's built-in energy system, and it's listening to everything you do. When you send it the right signals, adequate protein, strength training, restful sleep, and balanced movement, it will adapt, rebuild, and burn more efficiently. So instead of working against your metabolism, work with it. Choose nourishment over restriction. Choose strength over burnout. Choose consistency over intensity. And remember, small changes, done daily, lead to massive transformation over time. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments which tip you're going to try first. Like this video to support the channel, and don't forget to hit subscribe so you never miss future content that supports your health and wellness journey. Share this video with a friend who feels stuck and needs to hear that their body isn't broken, just ready to be rebuilt.